Back with another video, and today we're going to be making banana bread. During quarantine, I've been baking a lot. If you have 3 to 4 bananas, that's perfect. If you have fresh bananas and can't wait for them to ripen, put them in the oven for 15 minutes and voila, you have bananas to bake. Make sure you're putting those bananas in a bowl and you have a fork with you to mash those bad boys up. Mash them up real good. We're going to make them creamy and a smooth texture. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and you're going to put that aside because we're going to add all-purpose 2 cups into a separate bowl. You're going to have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also going to add cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons, and we're going to combine that mixture up and get that ready. I don't have a whisk, so I'm just using a spoon. In another bowl, we're gonna get 1 stick of butter, softened, do not melt in the butter. And we're gonna add half a cup of sugar, half cup of brown sugar, and mix that up as well with the electric beater. I can't even talk right now. And with this mixture, we're gonna add the bananas that we mashed up earlier. So we're gonna have a sweet, delicious goodness right now. It's gonna turn out great. We are also, after we get through with mashing this up, we're gonna add some eggs. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of buttermilk, that buttermilk, and we're gonna mix it up. By the way, I put 2 eggs in there. Add the flour mixture and stir it slowly. Don't stir it too fast, stir it slowly, and once it's all mixed in, leave it because you don't want it to be too dry. I'm gonna have all the ingredients and all the measurements in the description box, so don't worry. I'm going too fast. We're gonna put the batter into the 5x9 loaf pan. And we're gonna get ready to bake this, but first I'm smoothing it out, making it look pretty, you know. Just want it to be aesthetically appeasing to the eye, I guess, I don't know. So once you are done cleaning all of that up, we're gonna put that into the oven. And this is where the magic happens. We're gonna bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. I actually ended up baking it for 1 hour and 30 minutes because the middle was kind of soft. But voila, there you got your banana bread. It's the best banana bread ever that you'll ever taste. It's so moist, it's delicious. And the recipe is at divascancook.com. That's where I got the recipe from. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon, okay? Love ya. Bye.